ZePrA 13 is a big step into the future, combining not only new features but also more automation options needed in modern prepress. Let's take a closer look at the new features. ZePrA already offered several options for automating various tasks. The new Flows module has been developed to further expand ZePrA's automation capabilities. It provides the ability to connect multiple configurations, route files based on conditions, and perform simple automation tasks by setting up rules for file processing. In addition, flows help to reduce the number of queues and hot folders. So, let's take a look at a simple and frequently performed task: converting customer files on a digital press and saving on inks. In the auto setup, select the new mode, link two configurations. Select the two configurations that you wish to use. In this case, first a configuration that converts from a standard profile like PSO uncoded to your digital press loaded with uncoded stock. And the second configuration would apply SaveInk. With the checkbox, you make sure that both conversion results are saved. Now the flow and the queue is set up. In the overview dialog, flows are identified by a dedicated orange flow icon. And for better distinction, configurations have their own blue icon. Processing files in a flow works the same way as with configurations. Simply open the input folder and insert your files, and they will be converted immediately. By the way, the progress of processing is shown not only in the overview but in the ZePrA application icon. In the output folder of the flow, we find the two converted files, and for better recognition, the configuration name has been added to the file name. In case of the conversion plus the SaveInk, both configuration names have been added. There is a new tab under Configurations named Image Quality. All image quality related aspects such as the new options Image Resolution and Image Dimensions, as well as existing options such as Sharpening and Format options, which were previously located in the Options tab, are now grouped together in this tab. The new Image Resolution section allows changing the image resolution by adding thresholds for downscaling and upscaling. The first checkbox defines the desired resolution, and at least one of the threshold checkboxes must be enabled to be applied. Another new section called Image Dimension is available for resizing image files. Among other things, this is useful for adjusting the image size for printing. Images can be changed proportionally or not with a choice of different units, and you may resample the image using the resolution defined above or decide not to resample and recalculating the image resolution depending on the width or height change. It is possible now to create SaveInk profiles for multicolor on the fly using SmartLink. 3 saving options are available from little to lots of savings. For packaging customers printing with extended gamut inks, the new SmartLink method Multicolor preserve CMYK will be interesting. It makes sure that CMYK objects in PDF files or CMYK images are preserved as CMYK when converting to multicolor, while converted spot colors are using the full multicolor gamut. There is much more interesting information about ZePrA 13 which you can find on our online help website.